You just found the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Rise to the challenge in style in this handsome Pathfinder. This 3-row SUV offers standard driver assist safety features, impressive towing ability, thoughtful family-focused amenities, and a smooth, quiet ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.